Hi, my name is Kevin Espitia. I'm with Pumps of Houston, and today we're going to make a Texas grinder package, also known as a simplex package. So first is going to be safety. Sometimes these lids get stuck. So pretty much we put the plates on the outside already. The outside's done. Now we're gonna move on to the inside. Now we're gonna work on the inside. We just wanna tighten this. We don't wanna over tighten. Now, some customers, they don't like the pipe in there just because they like to put it on the pump and then just jimmy it in there. But this pipe will go down here. This is Pumps of Houston, and that's the Texas grinder package.